In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a progress bar in Surveymonkey to give your respondents a clear view of how far they've progressed through your survey. A progress bar can significantly enhance the user experience by providing transparency and encouraging completion. Let's dive right in and guide you through the process. To begin, make sure you have your survey ready and open in the Design Survey tab within Surveymonkey. This is your central hub for modifying and perfecting your survey layout and questions. Once you're in the Design Survey tab, take a look over on the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll find a variety of tools and options that you can use to enhance your survey. Among these, there's an option simply labeled Options. Go ahead and click on that to access your survey's settings. With the Options menu now open, you'll find a setting called Progress Bar. This is where the magic happens. To activate the progress bar, you just need to toggle the Show Progress Bar button to the On position. It's a simple switch, but it makes all the difference for your respondents. When toggled on, the progress bar will dynamically track how much of the survey the respondents have completed. Next, let's get into customizing the appearance of your progress bar, which adds a nice touch of personalization to your survey. First off, decide on its position. You have the choice between displaying the progress bar at the top of your survey pages or at the bottom. Think about where you want the respondents' attention to naturally fall on your survey. If you want them to notice their progress right off the bat, placing it at the top might be more effective. Alternatively, a bottom placement may subtly inform them as they journey through without distracting from the current page's questions. Now that you've chosen the position, it's time to consider the format. Surveymonkey offers two different ways to present the progress data, as the number of pages completed or as a percentage of total completion. Displaying your progress as the number of pages gives a straightforward, quantitative view. Great if respondents like knowing exactly how many more pages they have to go. If you'd rather show it as a percentage, this takes on a more holistic perspective by showing the overall completion rate, which can feel more encouraging for some users as they see the figure rise incrementally. Once you've made these selections, your progress bar is ready to enhance the survey-taking experience. Utilize this feature to the fullest by considering your audience and what might best motivate them to complete your survey. And there you have it. You've just successfully added a progress bar to your Surveymonkey survey, enhancing transparency and encouraging higher completion rates. Thank you for following along, and happy surveying.